So according to GMBN on YouTube, you can replace a broken spoke with a cable tie. And that made me wonder, can you replace all your spokes with cable ties? So that's what I'm going to try and find out in this video. Now, I knew this wasn't going to be totally easy, but it is actually quite tricky. So these large cable ties fit really nicely through from here down towards the hub. But then how do you fix that to the hub? Okay, that is all the spokes in, and I think they're all in the right place. This is going to be a nightmare. Well, that is looking more like a wheel. It looks alright. I quite like the look of the fat spokes. I think it's time to test if it actually works. I'll get a tyre on it. Woo! It's going to be an interesting ride. Okay, here we go. So can you build a bike wheel using just cable ties instead of spokes? Well, technically yes you can, and it doesn't look too shabby, but does it work? No, it doesn't. You can see just how wobbly it is. As you can see, the tyre was rubbing up against the fork here, which actually stopped it turning, so no, it doesn't work. What a waste of a Saturday afternoon.